Hey everybody, it's me, Tom Angleberger. Well, that's not me, that's a little purple dinosaur. I know it might seem like a strange time to make something silly, like little purple dinosaurs, but I thought I would show you how to make it today because it's important to stay creative, to keep on making stuff. So let me show you how to make this, and you can do whatever you want to with it. You can give them a little speech balloon that says, fight the power if you want to. Whatever you need to do is fine with me. I am going to flip the page over. Oh, by the way, some little variations on it down there. I'm going to flip the page over. I'm going to show you how to make this guy. Then give you some ideas on how you can start making little variations like that. Make it your own. So, baby Yoda I was working on there. So listen, here's what you're going to need. Stamp pad. I have these little tiny ones. You might have something bigger than that. Whatever you want. Pen and some scissors. And then you'll, of course, need your whatever you're drawing on, but you're also going to need a little piece of paper. And as long as I'm standing here showing you this, go ahead and snip a triangle out of that little piece of paper. Like that. All right? Okay. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep both of these pieces. You're going to keep this piece and this piece. I'm going to put this piece aside for right now. We're going to take this piece. I'm going to put it down on our... Boy, that's hard to see. Maybe I should... Let me... hold on one second. I'm going to start over again with a piece that you can actually see. There we go. All right. There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing. Sorry about that. So listen, here's what you're going to do. You're going to get your thumb. You're going to smush it down on your pad a little bit. Get yourself nice and inky. You're going to make a nice fingerprint. And the fingerprint's going to go right here on the point of that paper, like this. Okay, and it's fine if the paper comes up. Okay, there we go. So now I've got that. That's going to be our dinosaur. I think you can see where his mouth is pretty clearly. Now, how about his tail? Well, you're going to take that piece of paper that has the space cut out of it, and you're going to line it up just right so that it works for his tail. Re-ink your thumb a little bit, and there we go. Now we got our purple. Now all we got to do is make sure we turn it into a dinosaur. All right. Let's see if we can get in a little closer here. Boy, I don't know if I could, how well I'm going to draw standing up, but we'll find out. Let's see. I'm going to give him two big eyes. And other than that, we're just outlining this. And the tail, we'll give that some little triangles. We'll bring this down. So mostly we're just outlining it. We put two loops up on top and some triangles there. Let's go ahead and turn those loops into eyeballs so we know what we're doing. Let's do some more triangles right here. There we go. And we'll give them an arm here and an arm there. And some legs. Look at that. We got ourselves a little purple dinosaur. Now, as you can guess, whatever you do with the stamp is going to change the personality of your dinosaur. So let's make another one. See if we get a dinosaur with a little different personality. Let's see. We'll have this one. This one's, hey, maybe they're buddies. They're running into each other. And there we go. Oops, I did it backwards. That's all right. We'll fix that. We'll just put that there like that. Re-ink our thumb and right there. Oh, this is turning out very different. I think I'm going to need to give him a little more fingerprint down here. And there we go. Okay. Line up the tail like that. Hey, as long as we're stamping, let's go ahead and do another one. Here's a way to do a really long one, like maybe a dragon or a stegosaurus or something. You're going to take several thumbprints to do it. Like that, or you can do it like this. Okay, now each of these is going to need at least one more thumbprint for a body. And let's put a tail here for this guy. And for this guy, hey, let's give this guy some spikes. So we'll give him his tail. like that. Oh, I better move that up a little bit. Give him his tail like that, and then we'll put this here, not as a tail, but as a little spike on his back. Should move this over where it's a little more convenient. Okay, so what I like about this is that I can't draw dinosaurs. You probably know that. But yet I can draw a dinosaur with this method. Because by the time I actually get out my pen and start drawing, the dinosaur is almost done. Let's see here. Okay, this guy. There you go. And there's his eyes. He's got big eyes. He's apparently the ancestor of the frogs. He's got some kind of thing down there like that. And then this comes around. Some triangles on his tail. This guy's got much longer arms. I think he's looks more like a lizard, to be honest with you. But I guess lizards and dinosaurs are in the same ballpark, so we're okay there. This dragon, I kind of like the way he turned out. I'm going to give him a couple eyes up here. Oh yeah, kind of like the way he turned out. Just following the outline of the purple there. Gonna give him plenty of these. Some teeth and maybe a nice dragon tongue there. Maybe a little smoke coming out of his nose. Let's see. Hey, he turned out all right. I kind of like him. And let's see, should I finish this last guy off? Okay, this is a Stegosaurus. Is that what this guy is called? I used to know the names of a lot of my dinosaurs, and then they changed them. It's because I was born before they had it all figured out, apparently. Okay, there we go. All right, there we go. And this guy, he's got little stubby legs. There we go. There's 4 different little purple dinosaurs, all made by just a fingerprint and a triangle. Well, I hope you like those. Purple works good. Orange, green, black, that all works good. Yeah, let's see. Let's see if we can get these guys fully toothy. There we go. All right, there we go. So, just wanted to get you guys moving again. Wanted you to get it creative again. I bet you could figure out a way to turn these into Star Wars characters. Could you make one into a Rancor this way? Or a Reek? Ah, that's a pretty good idea, actually. I might try that out myself. In the meantime, this is Tom Angleberger saying, may the Force be with you, always.